This is Newsflash. Stories and subjects explained through animation to help simplify the abstract or the annoying. Today, definitely something annoying. Inflation, what it is, and how it affects you. Inflation is a term we often hear, especially when prices go up at the grocery store or gas station. But what does it mean? Generally speaking, inflation refers to the increase in the price of stuff over time. Inflation reduces the value of your money. You can buy less today than you could yesterday. Inflation can be caused by several factors. One common reason is increased demand for products. For instance, if many people want to buy new smartphones, manufacturers may raise prices because of high demand. This can happen during the holiday season when people are eager to shop. Another factor is rising production costs. If the price of raw materials, like steel for cars, goes up, companies often pass those costs on to consumers. Costs of some items, especially gasoline and energy, can fluctuate dramatically and don't give an accurate indication of overall inflation. With more on how inflation is measured, fig your check.
The cost of goods and services are measured by the Consumer Price Index, or CPI, which measures the price of roughly 80,000 items every month. It includes categories such as food, clothing, housing, transportation, healthcare, and entertainment. The CPI isn't an absolute indicator of inflation because it uses a fixed basket of goods month after month, whereas consumers can change preferences or substitute items. The CPI also doesn't include things like stocks, bonds, real estate, or business expenses, but it is a primary measure of inflation. Policymakers use the CPI to make monetary decisions like interest rates. If inflation is high, a central bank may increase interest rates. This makes borrowing money more expensive, which can slow down spending and help lower inflation. High inflation can strain household budgets, as people have to pay more for everyday items. With an editorial on this subject, our own Chet Fluster.
The other day, I went to the store to get a bag of chips. You know, the ones that say on the label, only $2. Have for a long time. Well, suddenly, they're $2.60. I was able to get over that surprise and proceeded to the soda cooler to get something refreshing to wash down my salty snack. I was relieved to note that the cost hadn't changed. But when I grabbed the bottle, I could instantly tell something wasn't right. The weight was off. What used to be 12 ounces was now 11.2. I'm expected to pay the same for less? Will 11.2 ounces even completely quench my thirst? Am I now expected to eat fewer chips? What do I do with the rest? Throw them away? Add more to our already overextended landfill? My outrage was barely contained when I got to the checkout to complete my snack, and lo and behold, the candy bars had joined the treat taunting. I had a mere $5 to spend and could no longer afford the candy bar. I pleaded with the other customers to split a Snickers with me, but no one would. I left the store, sad and hungry. Inflation, you are a sneaky snack stealer.
Indeed. And now, good points for cutting expenses amid rising inflation.
Planning your meals ahead of time can help reduce food waste and lower grocery costs. If you create a shopping list based on your meal plan, you can avoid impulse buys and stick to the essentials.
Look for sales, use coupons, and compare prices at different stores. If you buy in bulk or choose store brands, they often offer similar quality, but at a lower price.
If you're able to, try using public transit instead of driving. This can save on gas, parking, and wear and tear on your vehicle. Carpooling or ride-sharing can also lower gas and maintenance costs, reduce commuting stress, and lead to an improved quality of life.
While navigating rising costs may be challenging, small changes can lead to significant savings over time.
What? So now I'm supposed to take a bus to several stores just to get a decent snack? My break is only 15 minutes. When will I have time to report the news?
Could somebody get cheddar Snickers?
Inflation affects everyone. Understanding how it works can help you better manage your finances. Keeping an eye on prices and budgeting for changes can help get you through the impact of inflation on your wallet. For Newsflash, I'm Barry Factual. You're welcome.